Hello everyone, this is Ammu here, and welcome once again to yet another interesting topic. So, friends, we all set goals in our life, and initially, when we set these goals, we're very enthusiastic about our goals, isn't it? But what happens after a few days? After a few days, we start losing interest. And sometimes we are just about to achieve our goal and we just give up. So, this happens with most of us, isn't it? So, in today's video, let's try and understand what is it that stops us from achieving our goals. So, in order to understand that, let me share with you a short and cute story. So, this story is about a fox who wants to have a delicious meal. So, with that intention, this fox sets out in the forest and he spots a rabbit. And on seeing the rabbit, he chuckles to himself and he says, "Oh, I've found a great meal." So he starts walking behind the rabbit. The rabbit realizes that the fox is walking behind him, starts to walk faster. The fox then speeds up his pace and starts chasing the rabbit. The chase goes on for about an hour, and finally, the fox is tired and exhausted, and he shouts out to the rabbit that, "Hey, friend, just stop. Just stop. I have given up the idea of eating you up. Just stop and just tell me that what is it that me, in spite of being so faster than you and more powerful than you, why is it that I'm unable to catch you? Just tell me that." So the rabbit stops and gives him a very witty reply. So, dear friends, just listen to this very carefully. The rabbit says that we both have been running since an hour, but our purposes are different. You have been running to satisfy your greed, whereas I have been running to save my life. So, my purpose is greater than yours. So, my dear friends, you must have understood what I'm trying to convey through this story. So, in order to achieve your goals, you need to have a strong purpose. Your why has to be very, very strong. So, let's understand, apart from having a strong purpose, what else is needed. Whenever we set our goals like buying a car or buying a house, there are images coming up in our mind. So, the images that come up in our mind are materialistic images. So, they are associated with our conscious mind. But in order to achieve a goal, you need to use your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. Let me give you a small example. A boy coming from a poor family has always seen his parents suffering to feed him, to educate him. He's seen all the pain that his parents have undergone. And they expect a lot from this child. They expect that probably the child will grow up and buy a house and they can live a comfortable life. So the boy, on growing up, makes a goal of buying a house. So he has a strong purpose, but he also has strong emotions attached to it, because he's always seen his parents suffering the pain that he has undergone. So, whenever he will be distracted from his goal, the emotions will keep reminding him of his goals. So, you need to have a strong emotion also. Let me give you another example. We all set alarms to wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock. So, we have a purpose of waking up in the morning. But what happens when the alarm rings? We put it off and go back to sleep, isn't it? But what if a dear one, a loved one, is coming at 5 a.m. in the morning and you have to go to pick that person from the airport? Will you put the alarm off? Definitely not. Because you have a purpose and you even have a strong emotion attached to it. You have the emotion of love attached to it. So you will automatically wake up. So, in order to achieve a goal, you need to have a strong purpose and strong emotions. What else do you need to achieve your goal? You need to have a strong focus. So let your focus act like a laser beam on your goals. What else is needed to achieve your goals? You need to stop procrastination. You need to stop being lazy and get out of your comfort zone. What else is needed to achieve your goal? You need to have proper planning, because without a plan, your goal is just a wish. So, to make it happen, you need proper planning. What else is needed to achieve your goal? So, in order to achieve your goal, you need to focus on the possibilities of achieving it rather than focusing on the failures. Last but not the least, you are never too old to set a new goal. So, my dear friends, be a goal digger. All the best. That's all from me. This is Ammu saying bye and wishing you all love and peace.